Hi friends, welcome to Mama's Kitchen today, and I have a traditional Indian recipe for you, and that's Goan prawns KISMUR. So let's get to the recipe right away. For preparing the KISMUR, I will require 170 grams of baby prawns. I've got small baby prawns here, and I've washed, and they're now ready to prepare the KISMUR. And then here I've got one small onion, and then 1 cup green chopped coriander, and then 3/4 of here I've got spring curry leaves, that is curry patta. So I'm using 2 to 3 spring curry leaves, and I've chopped them very fine here. And here I'm using the coconut oil, and that would be 1 tablespoon. And here I've got 1 ml of organic apple cider vinegar, and then I've got 1/4 teaspoon sugar, and then 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon green chili. I'm using 1 teaspoon because this chili which I'm using is very spicy, and so you can adjust with these ingredients here as per your taste. And then I've got 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. So this is all I require. So let's get on to the recipe. So pan is nice and hot. I will add the baby shrimps. So the first procedure is to fry the prawns. Now since the baby prawns are washed and now they are wet, so it will take at least 5 to 6 minutes to make them nice and crispy. So we'll wait till then. Okay, so friends, in 6 minutes I can see the baby shrimps. The prawns have fried well and they're nice and dry. So I will keep this aside. And next I'm taking another pan, and in that I will add the coconut oil. You have to use only coconut oil for this recipe. First place I'm gonna add cumin seeds. So let me stir fry cumin seeds for a few seconds. Now in few seconds I'm adding the spring leaves. These are curry leaves, that's curry patta we say, and then the green chili, and then saute on very low heat. Few seconds I'm gonna add onion. So stir fry all these ingredients for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the garam masala, turmeric powder, chili powder. Give it a good stir. Okay, as this is mixed well and I have given it a good stir, add the fried prawns. Now give it a good stir again. Mix it well. And in few seconds I'm gonna add the grated coconut. So grated coconut goes in here, and then I will add the sugar. So some prefer spicy, and this is medium spicy for me. Few seconds I'm gonna add the vinegar. So there should be combination of spices like spicy and the sourness in this. And last we are going to add the coriander. Now give this a good mix. There's a good aroma in this room here of the KISMUR. I'm waiting, to enjoy this with rice and some shrimp curry. Wow, awesome. We are done for the day. So switch off the heat and we'll serve hot. Friends, our Indian Goan prawns KISMUR is now ready to enjoy with the white rice and with some curry. So it's a good combination, I would say. So I will enjoy my KISMUR, and you guys go ahead and please try this recipe, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.